Dear student, we have evaluate question number 5. First question, 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3. Divide 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3. So we have solution that number when exponent is the minus form, we have write down that fraction will be reversed when I have bring it positive form. So we have write down 3 upon 3 when exponent is the minus form and fraction will be reversed and reciprocal of that numbers. So 1 upon 3 is reversed by 3 upon 1, but it have write down 3 raised to the power 3 minus it will be reversed and 2 raised to the power 3 divide its exponent is also minus form, so it will be reversed that 4 raised to the power 3. We have 3 raised to the power 3, it means 3 is multiplied by 3 times itself. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. We have write down 27 and minus 2 raised to the power 3. 2 is multiplied by 3 times by itself because its exponent is 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We have write down 8 and divide 4 raised to the power 3. It means 4 is multiplied by 3 times by itself. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. We have subtract that numbers is 27 minus 8. We have got 19 divide 64. So we have write down it's in 19 upon 64 is 19 upon 64, that is answer. We have question number 6, evaluate 4 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus and whole raised to the power minus 1. So we have write that when exponent is minus form, fraction will be reverse. So it will be 3 upon 4 raised to the power 1 minus it will be reverse 4 upon 1 raised to the power 1 and whole minus 1 raised to the power minus 1. We have write down because its exponent is 1, so it will be multiplied by 1 times, that is number 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 1 and minus 1. 4 1, we have find the LCM of 4 1 is 4. So we have write down 4 4 ja 1, 4 1 ja 4. So we have multiply that 3 into 1 is 3 and 1 4 ja 4. So we have multiply that 4 4 ja 16 minus 1. When minus is greater and 3 is smaller, then it will be subtract that it will be minus 13 by upon 4 raised to the power minus 1. When power is exponent is minus form, then it will be reverse minus 4 upon minus 13 raised to the power 1, because exponent is 1, that means that number is only 1 times multiply by itself. So we have found 4 upon minus 13. You have already know that denominator is never in minus form. So minus is goes to the numerator. Minus 4 upon 13 is that answer. We have find out the solution of question number 7. Evaluate. We have a question 5 upon 5 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1 and whole raised to the power minus 1 divide 6 raised to the power minus 1. So we have write down, when exponent is the minus form, it will be reverse into the, so it's will reverse 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1 into, it will be reverse 1 upon 3 raised to the power 1 and whole raised to the power minus 1. Divide 6 raised to the, here exponent is the minus form, so it will be reverse 1 upon 6 raised to the power 1. So we have multiplied that, its exponent is 1, so it will be that numbers, because 1 is multiplied by itself, so that number is find out. So 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 3 and exponent is, and whole exponent is minus 1, divide 1 upon 6 is the number. So we have 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 3 and we have write down 1 1 is 1, 5 3 is 15 and raised to the power minus 1 divide 1 upon 6 close to the bracket. So when 1 upon 15 and raised to the power minus 1, then it will be reversed, so we have write 15 upon 1 divide 1 upon 6. So when exponent is 1, we have find out that numbers 15 divides, when it will be changed in multiply, so 6 numerator is goes to the denominator and denominator is goes to the numerator, so it will be changed and 6 upon 1 is, so we have do that 15 into 6, 15 into 6, 15 6 are 90 upon 1, it means that 90 is that answer. So let's again, we have a question 5 raised to the power minus 1 and 3 raised to the power minus 1 and whole raised to the power minus 1 divide 6 raised to the power minus 1. So we have solute that it will be, when exponent is minus form, then it will reverse and it will goes to the positive form. So we have got 1 upon 5 and raised to the power 1 into 1 upon 3 raised to the power 1 and whole raised to the power minus 1 divide 1 upon 6 raised to the power 1 and close the close the figure. So we have when exponent is 1, we have got 1 upon that number. We have got that numbers just like 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1. We have find out that numbers 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 3 and whole raised to the power minus 1 divide 1 upon 6. So next we have 1 when 1 into multiply into 1s is got 1, 5 into 3 got 15 and raised to the power minus 1 divide 1 upon 6. We have when exponent is minus form, then fraction will be reverse and 15 raised to the power 1 and divide 1 upon 6. When any fraction or integers is divide form, we have got into multiply form, that its sign will be changed. So divide is changed into multiply. So 15, and when it's multiply it will be changed, then fraction will be also changed. We have 1 upon 6 and its change will be 6 upon 1. So we have find out 15 into 6. So 15 6 90. 90 upon 1. We have got that answer 90 is